Let's have a look at another example involving surds and sort of surds within fractions. Find the values of x and y such that the square root of 5 over square root of 5 minus 2 is equal to x plus y root 5, where x and y are both integers. Okay, so this little symbol here, this sort of a strange looking E symbol, means the element of. Okay, so the set of integers is represented by this double struck z. Okay, so when you see this z, it actually means whole numbers, integers. All right, so let's begin. So we're starting off with a fraction, we're ending up with the sum of two terms, where one of the terms is an integer and the other one is actually an integer multiple of the square root of 5. X and y can be negative even, we don't know, but let's see. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to rationalise the denominator. Okay, so there's clearly no denominator in the right hand side there, so we need to rationalise it out. So let's start. So root 5 over root 5 minus 2. We're going to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. And the reason why we do that is the difference of two squares and the principle of the difference of two squares. Now, that gives us root 5 outside of root 5 plus 2 over root 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 2. So there's your a minus b, a plus b. All right, so multiplying through the numerator there, we got root 5 times root 5 is 5, plus root 5 times 2, which is 2 root 5, over root 5 minus 2, root 5 plus 2, so that's your a squared minus b squared. So that's going to be root 5 all squared minus 2 all squared. Okay. So what does that give us? That gives us 5 plus 2 root 5 over, well, root 5 all squared, that's nice, that's 5. And 2 squared is 4, that gives us 1. And we just get 5 plus 2 root 5. So to answer the question correctly, therefore, x equals, well, what's the x there, is 5. And y equals 2.